opportunity, welcome to the second International Symposium on Law and Peace.
Of Second International Symposium on Law and Peace. And now, to propose the welcome address in this inaugural session, I would like to invite the Dean of School of Law at MIT World Peace University, Professor Dr. Saurabh Chaturvedi ji.
Good morning. It is indeed a moment of pleasure that the School of Law, Dr. Vishwanath Karad, World Peace University, is celebrating its second International Symposium on Law and Peace. We are truly delighted and indebted to the great luminaries who could take out their precious time and grace this beautiful day of inauguration and their auspicious presence. We want to thank the most acclaimed legislator and former cabinet, Mr. Honorable Veerappa Moily Sahab, for his kind arrival and making this day successful. Kindly accept our heartiest gratitude, sir. We are plunged in beautiful patronage. We are plunged in beautiful patronage of Honorable Your Lordship, former Justice Madam Gyan Sudha Mishra, for her kind arrival. Though she was not keeping well, but she promised to come and she kept her words. We are truly thankful to Your Lordship. It is an absolute pleasure to have Honorable Mr. Justice L. Narasimha Reddy Sahab with us. For his consent to grace this occasion and to bless our students with his kind words of wisdom, we are warmly thankful, Your Honor. May I take this opportunity to welcome Honorable Mr. Justice A.P. Bengali Sahab for his kind arrival. He was having a very hectic schedule in a family celebrations out of Mumbai, but he wanted to come and to have an address and discussion with the students as such. We are very, very thankful to Your Honor. We are truly grateful to Honorable Dr. P.K. Malhotra, former Secretary, Ministry of Law and Justice, and Member Law Commission of India, who unconditionally consented to come from USA, and he preponed his visit of returning back to India, and he came here to grace this occasion. We are thankful to the most acclaimed advocate, Shri Adish C. Agrawala Sahab from Supreme Court of India, for helping our School of Law. With his kind guidance and blessings to the young children, students, we are here and we are thankful to your kind sir. Thank you very much. The School of Law is exalted to find Ms. Savitri Pandey, Member Secretary, Supreme Court Bar Association. She is readily available to guide our students and to hold the hand to become them successful. Kindly accept our sincere thanks, Madam. It is our pleasure to have most acclaimed advocate, Mr. Pandurang Thorve, President Bar Association, Pune District. He was about to come, probably he is somehow late. So we are thankful to him. On behalf of UNESCO Chair, revered Professor Vishwanath D. Karad sir, Executive President, gracious Shri Rahul Karad sir, and highly acclaimed academician, Vice Chancellor Professor Dr. R. M. Chitti sir, and on behalf of entire School of Law, its young and talented faculty members and bright students, I, Dr. Saurabh Chaturvedi, do welcome all dignitaries on this auspicious day of wisdom.
Minister of the State of Karnataka. Please put your hands together
Recording in
and
progress.
welcome with a big round of applause the chief guest of this session, Dr. M. Veerappa Moily. Let us rise in our seats and give a big round of applause to Dr. M. Veerappa Moily. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for your presence here today. It is indeed our honor and privilege to have you here. I would now like to request sir to kindly felicitate and welcome Justice Gyan Sudha Mishra Madam, the former judge of Supreme Court of India. A big round of applause, my friends. These are tall personalities, those who are here to guide us. Thank you very much, madam. I now request sir to kindly felicitate and welcome Justice L. Narasimha Reddy ji, the former Chief Justice of Patna High Court and former Chairman of Central Administrative Tribunal. Thank you very much, sir. I now request sir to kindly felicitate and welcome Justice Shri Ashok Pitambar Bhangre ji, the President of State Consumer Disputes Redressal Forum, Maharashtra, and former Judge of Bombay High Court. A big round of applause, my friends. A big round of applause for Justice Shri Ashok Pitambar Bhangre ji. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. I now request sir to kindly felicitate and welcome Advocate Adish C. Agarwala ji, President of International Council for Jurists, President of All India Bar Council, and Senior Advocate of Supreme Court of India. A big round of applause, my friends. Thank you, sir. I now request sir to kindly felicitate and welcome Advocate Savitri Pandey Madam, the Senior Advocate of Supreme Court of India and former Member Secretary of Supreme Court Bar Association. Big round of applause, my friends. Indeed, very tall personalities are present here among us today. I now request sir to kindly felicitate and welcome Shri P.K. Malhotra ji, former Law Secretary and member of Law Commission. A big round of applause for Shri P.K. Malhotra ji. Thank you. I now request sir to kindly felicitate and welcome Advocate Ulka Jain Madam from Bombay High Court. A big round of applause as we welcome Advocate Ulka Jain Madam. Let's give a big round of applause, my friends, for all the dignitaries present here today at this August gathering of Second International Symposium on Law and Peace. Thank you very much, all dignitaries. Thank you very much for your kind presence. And with this, I would now like to request the Honorable Vice Chancellor of MIT World Peace University, Professor Dr. R.M. Chitnis, sir, to kindly address the gathering.
Good morning and namaskar to all of you. Once again, welcome to Galaxy of Personalities on the dais. On behalf of Dr. Vishwanath Karad sir, on behalf of Rahul Karad sir and all trustee members, once again, it gives me privilege and pleasure to welcome all of them. One more round of applause. They have taken this round of applause for the time which they have taken out of life and part of life they were giving to fraternity of students, those who will be into law fraternity in almost another 4 to 5 years to come. Friends, it's a matter of pride and pleasure for us at MIT World Peace University to organize this second edition of the International Symposium on a unique subject of law and peace. It was possible because of our founder, president, and harbinger of peace through holistic education, Dr. Vishwanath Karad sir, and with the patronage of the dynamic and visionary leader and our executive president, Shri Rahul Vishwanath Karad sir, who extended all-out support to this endeavor, which focuses to address a very, very pertinent and important issue of peace with the help of law. And that's why the central theme of this International Symposium of Law and Peace is the role of law to promote the culture of peace. Friends, you all know about both the subjects. Law and peace are themselves very vast subjects, while law is very specialized subject which everybody of us cannot master in, whereas peace is something that every human being can understand and follow in his or her entire life, but only if you decide to follow. Unfortunately, when we look around us in some of the troubled countries, we find that there is neither law nor peace, or in some countries, or many countries, there is law but there is no peace. It will not be an overstatement to say that if everybody followed to be peaceful, the world would have been a very, very happy place and there would not have been any need for law or law and order as we commonly know. And that's why it becomes essential to introduce, inculcate and infuse the culture of peace amongst every human being, not only in India, but every human being in every country of this world. We at MIT World Peace University, sirs, have set this as our prime objective to impart value-based and holistic education for life transformation of the students to make them global citizens while striving to establish peace, harmony, and universal brotherhood in the society at large. How fortunate our students are understanding these concepts at a very early age, in addition to degree which they are pursuing. Law plays a crucial role in keeping everyone compelled to abide by rules and regulations which are made for maintaining harmony, equality, protection of human rights, and resilience and also peace. MITWPU is glad to have organized this significant conclave to discuss a very crucial and vital issue in today's world, which is full of unrest, uncertainty, and disturbance. In fact, peace is not only our name, that is MIT World Peace University, but it is in our motto, which is Vishwa Shanti Dhruvan Dhruva. Let peace prevail in the entire universe. Let peace prevail in the entire universe. And as responsible academic institution we preach as well as we teach peace and we practice peace. Before I conclude, let's all affirm that bringing and maintaining peace is our first and foremost duty, my dear students. And let's begin to discharge the duty through this symposium of thoughts and views based on the use of law. Would you promise that? I think you would. With this, I would like to stop here and wish you all the best for the 2 days symposium here. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you very much. God bless you.
Thank you very much, Honorable Vice Chancellor, sir, for your kind words. And now it is time when I request the special guest of honor, Advocate Adish C. Agarwala ji, to address the gathering. But before that, I would like to request my technical team to kindly take us through a small film made on life and work of the special guest of honor of this session, Advocate Adish C. Agarwala ji.
Advocate Adish Agarwala is a lawyer, writer and public figure, senior lawyer for the state of Haryana, lawyer for the state of Punjab and senior government advisor to the Supreme Court of India and the High Court of Delhi. In addition, Advocate Adish Agarwala is President of the International Council of Jurists, Chairman of the Indian Bar Association, Member of the Board of the Indian Bar Council, Head of the Indian Institute of Legal Information, Secretary General of the Indian Senior Bar